particular point you want to apply a dummy load. Where you want to apply dummy load here? Under the 10 kilonewton load. Because it is, so you can see, this is the simply support beam. Now this is stand. Due to symmetry, loading I am discussing. So VA and VB will become half of that one, 5. Similarly, I applied here Q also. So Q by 2, Q by 2. So we can write due to symmetry, we can write due to symmetry we can write VA is equal to VB is equal to 10 half is 5, Q half is Q by 2. Okay. Then I'll write now mx. You should write mx here. So I will write mx here. So this is mx. Here also same thing will come. So mx, if I am writing, mx is equal to VA into x. VA into x, that is 5 plus Q by 2 into x. So that we can write as 5x plus Q by 2 x. Similarly, if we come from this side also, it will be same. VB into x, VB is nothing but same. So I will take this one, okay, one by one. Now if I am writing mx square is equal to a plus b whole square formula I am writing. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So to do cancel, so 5q x square. Now what is strain energy? Strain energy is integration mx square by 2ei into dx. Alright. Now see here, if I am taking from left to right, Vi into x we are saying, na? So what is this here? 2i. So wherever I is there, you want to take it 2i. So what will happen to this one? 2 is equal to 1 by 4 Vi integration. What are the limits? 0 to 5. What are the limits? 0 to 5. So 25 x square plus q square x square by 4 plus 5q x square dx. Plus again, if I am coming from this side to this side, it is same only, but I will be I only. So 1 by 2 Vi. Here also limits from 0 to 5. Limit 0 to 5. 25 x square q square x square by 4 plus 5q x square into dx. Now if I write 1 by 4 Ei to go for integration, what will happen here? 25 x cube by 3 plus q square x cube by 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 5q x cube by 3, 0 to 5 plus 1 by 2 Ei. Same thing here, same. So 25 x cube by 3 plus 2 square x cube by 12 plus 5q x cube by 0 to 0 to 5. So last class we discussed what is the deflection. So I am taking deflection at yc is equal to dou u by dou q, q tends to 0, right? Q tends to 0. So if I am doing differentiation, this is constant 0, this will come 2q, this also will become 0. Only q terms I told to consider. So what is the differentiation of q with respect to q? 1. So 5x cube by 3. 1 by 4ei 5x cube by 3, 0 to 5 plus 1 by 2ei. Here also same, 5x cube by 3, 0 to 5. Now substitute here, if you are going to substitute here, x is equal to 5. X here if you are substituting is equal to 5. So 5 into 5 cube by 3 plus 1 by 2ei 5 into 5 cube by 3. Then if you do calculation, we get here 156.25 by 3. Okay. So he has given the figure like this. He is asking to find out the deflection under the loading. So wherever the loading, while asking is asking using Caspers theorem, you want to apply a dummy load Q. I applied a dummy load. Due to symmetry, VA and VB will become half of this one, that is 10 pi. Q is plus Q by 2. So if I write mx, VA into x, VA into x, 5 plus Q by 2 into x, so 5x plus Q by 2 x. I am writing m square, so a plus b whole square formula I am writing. Energy is equal to mx square by 2a dx. So this also same thing, but only thing here is I is equal to 2a here. So substitute I is equal to a 1 by 4a. So whatever you written, you write here. Similarly here, and go for integration. After integrating, only q terms if you want to take it. This is constant. This is 2q will get. Differentiation of q square will get 2q. So in the differentiation of q will get 1. Therefore this term and this term, these two terms you want to consider. So I consider like this, then apply the limits, lower limit and upper limit. 0 is lower limit, so no need to consider that one. 5, 5.